everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this video, I'll be bass fishing the fall transition with a topwater Australian lure called the Baby Bidjiwong. Let's check it out. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Want to welcome you to the next video here. In this video, I'm going to be bass fishing with an Australian topwater lure called the Baby Bidjiwong. And I got this lure from ICAST back in 2019 from a man by the name of Fraser, and he gave me this lure to fish. And he's an Australian lure maker, and what he's trying to do is get his lures into America and make a present for himself. But he gave me this lure to fish, and in this video you're going to be watching me fish this lure. Now if you look in the description box, you'll be able to see a link where you can go over and check out all of his lures and even order some of his lures if you're looking for it. Also, there's a link to where I did a review on his lure a while back. So in this video, I won't have to do a full review, because if you watch the video that's in my description box, I did a full review of it just so that you can see all the things that it does. But I want to show it to you once again here. And it is the Baby Bidjiwong here. This lure actually comes with a tail in the back, but the tail got bit off. So I just added a treble hook with some feathers in the back here. But normally what it comes with is a tail with a treble hook enclosed inside of it. This is a crawling bait, as you can see right here. It just crawls. It has big rattles in it. It has actually really big hooks that come with it as well. As you can see from this side here, it's jointed. So it crawls and clanks and makes a lot of noise on top. Also, and as you can see on the bottom here, I got a clear one on the bottom with the little red on the front of it there. One thing to remember, this is an Australian lure right here. This lure was designed for Murray cod and for barramundi, but also for bass in Australia. What I found is that this lure works here on largemouth bass. It would probably work on smallmouth. It would work on pike, muskie, because it has that sound, that presence that would really annoy a predatory fish in fresh water. So here in America, it would work, and it does work. And in the video you're going to watch, you're going to see it working. So I wanted to show it to you here. For a lot of you guys, you may have never seen this lure before. So I want to make sure that you guys get a good look at it. And if you want to see more details on it, go to the description box and you'll be able to see my review on it. Also, when I was at ICAST in 2019, I had a chance to meet this gentleman. So in this video here, before the fishing starts, you're going to see me actually going to his booth for the very first time, meeting him, introducing myself to him, and he talks about his lures, and we have a little quick 2-minute conversation, and you get to see this guy and see that he really has created some really unique lures. He even has some lures that make you think about the chase-based smuggler, but he created his own version of a bird lure as well. So really interesting guy. Enjoyed talking to him a lot. Also, a couple of things here that I want to make sure that we always keep up on is please like, subscribe to the channel. Please hit the text notification as well, 31996, and the word Topwater, so you are there and ready for giveaways. Because on Thursday, I'm going to be doing an unboxing Topwater Johnny style. So I've got some lures I ordered from the Hookup Tackle, and they're all topwater, and some are weight baits. And I'm going to be doing my unboxing and showing you some of the unique lures that I've bought for me to continue my topwater fishing. So I want to make sure that you are tuned in on Thursday, and be sure to watch the video, because you're going to see some very unique lures that I promise you that are brand new, haven't been out very long, and you might want to check those out as well. So that's what I've got for right now. Let's go ahead. We're going to jump in. You'll get to meet this guy. Then after that, we're going to go right out on the water and begin fishing. So once again, it's Topwater Johnny saying enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon. Here's another one I want to focus on for a moment. It's still a very cool looking lure right here. It is the Bidjiwong 285, and it's like a lizard. So look how long that thing is right there. So that thing is pretty unique as well. All right, everybody, we are here. That looks good. Look, hey, there's those lizards. I know you got those iguanas, man. Iguanas or lizards or what? I don't know what you call them. What do you call them?
Yeah,
Iguanas, lizards.
Yeah.
Are they currently out on the market?
Not yet. We haven't got them in America yet. We've got them in Australia. Just trying to crack the market here.
Oh, you are, huh?
Shouldn't be too far away. Hopefully, just going to do some deals.
Wow, those are really nice.
Every one of our 9 baits has a gift.
Yeah. Well, that's amazing, man. Because I did a video on you yesterday where I talked about the things over there on the contest, and I was like, dude, this thing should place, man. I'm sitting here telling people like these things are so unique and innovative that they should definitely be the winners, man.
Thank you.
All right.
See the interchangeable weights on them?
Let me see that again. Show that here to us.
Swim bait here.
It's a swim bait, everybody.
With a hidden weight chamber.
A hidden.
So you can change the weights out between plastic or lead blocks.
Wow.
You can go from slow sink to fast sink. You can fish it from 2 foot to 30 foot.
Wow.
So toe point on the top, aluminum fins, keeps it tracking deep. It's got an awesome action on the drop. You can fish it like a lipless crankbait. A swim bait, you can fish like a lipless crankbait.
Right. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And what's your name again?
Matt Fraser from Barambah Lures.
All right. Thank you. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. And in this video, we're going to be fishing with an Australian lure called the Baby Bidjiwong that I got from ICAST in 2019. And we're going to take it out here, put it to work over the next day or so, and see what we can do. So let's get started. Oh. Oh, God. We'll take it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Woo! At last, on that lizard. On that gizzy, on that Australian lizard. Look at that. Look at that. One that wanted it, everybody. That is what we were looking for. Wow, we got him. There it is. On that Baby Bidjiwong from Australia, that Australian lure. I got one on it. All right, everybody, I got one on that Baby Bidjiwong. I've been trying to get one on that for a while, and I got one. All right, and you guys saw it too. That's an Australian lure that's usually used for Murray cod, but you can see bass will hit it too. All right. All right, everybody. There we go, right there. Okay. There we go. There we go. Bidjiwong. Woo! There we go, everybody. That baby Bidjiwong did it again. Look at that. Whoops. That baby Bidjiwong did it again. All right. Look at that. Once again, that baby Bidjiwong putting in work. It's made for Murray cod, but bass love it too. All right. There it is again, one more time. Well, there you go, everybody. One time is luck, second time is skill. We got him again on that Bidjiwong. So that lure is legit. It's putting in work here. All right. Nice one right there on that baby Bidjiwong. All right then. There we go. There we go. On that lizard. There we go. Woo! Look at that, everybody. On that baby Wong. That baby Wong put in work right there. All right. That's what we were looking for early in the morning. Great hit. Look at that, everybody. In the morning time, baby Wong, the baby Bidjiwong did it this morning. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny here. In the morning time, that baby Bidjiwong, Australian lizard, putting in work. They couldn't resist it. They got it. So this is a nice one. All right. There it is. Nice one. Early in the morning. Early in the morning. All right. Oh, man, I didn't even. Woo! I missed that one. I missed that last one there, but that's okay. It was still an unbelievable hit right there. So that was really good, even though I really wanted to get that last one that had that blow up. But that's okay. It happens sometimes, you know, when you're out here topwater fishing. So no worries on that. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna give you my closing thoughts about this baby Bidjiwong. All right. Hey everybody, Topwater Johnny here. I hope you enjoyed that video. I was fishing with that Fraser baby Bidjiwong, and that lure is definitely a very interesting lure. I had to learn how to fish that one because that was an Australian lure, and it really wasn't designed for American bass, but it works on largemouth bass, it works on smallmouth, it works on pike, it works on a lot of game fish that would be gaming for that fish. So that's why I would definitely encourage anyone that's interested in trying something new and different to check out the Baby Bidjiwong. Now, in my description box, you'll be able to get all the information on accessing one, and if you decide to reach out to him, tell him Topwater Johnny sent you, and I'm sure he'll be happy to talk to you about the Baby Bidjiwong and all of his other lures. But he's a really cool guy. I had a great time meeting him at ICAST back in 2019, and he gave me that lure to work on and check out. So I had a good time working out with it. So I just want to encourage everyone, if you want something a little different, something the bass haven't seen, check that one out. Also, please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to join the text notification. That's 31996 and the word Topwater. That puts you on the text notification. Once again, just want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel, checking me out. Please leave a comment below on your thoughts about that lure and would you fish it and just what your thoughts are. I really appreciate those comments. And I just want to thank once again everybody for being a part of this journey with me. And I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit that topwater lure, especially those Baby Bidjiwong lizard lures, it's going to be a big bite. All right.